If I have a certain input, will the amplifier be always giving a gain, or it will give a gain only at certain frequencies? Turns out that not all amplifiers will be able to give you a good gain at all the frequencies. There is a selected band of operation where this transistor will be able to provide the gain that you want. In the frequencies outside the band, the gain is going to be compromised. So that brings us to an interesting property that all transistors have, which is called as the gain bandwidth product, which is a constant. If you want to have very high gain, then your bandwidth is compromised. You can only have that much bandwidth. But if you want to have very high bandwidth, then your gain must be compromised. So that's the trade-off that you see here. For example, the one that you see in the red curve has a very high gain. The gain is high, but the bandwidth is lower than the blue curve, which is having a lower gain, but the bandwidth is wider. But apart from this gain and bandwidth, there are other amplifier parameters, which is important for systems designers to be able to realize a certain link budget and to realize the RF components that go into that wireless system. Those are output power, we know, the gain and gain flatness, we know. That means is there is flat gain or if the gain is going up and down. Yeah, that's the gain flatness that we are talking about. But more importantly, we are going to focus on 1 dB compression point. Another important parameter is the noise figure. Noise figure is while in the process of amplifying the input signal, is the amplifier also adding in some noise? Typically they do, but a very good amplifier should not do that. Its job is to simply amplify the signal. So low noise amplifier will be able to do that, have a very good noise figure performance. Then comes what is called as dynamic range that we will see, what is third order intercept, so on and so forth. And we will see a little bit of input and output matching network for the reflection coefficient to be matched.